Welcome back, my AGG family. So ladybugs, this is another restock video. Okay, so this is my kids refrigerator. This is the refrigerator that came with the house, and the kids use it often. So y'all know how kids is. Mama gotta have her own little toys, hence my other refrigerator. But I wanted to go ahead and simplify this refrigerator for them, just to make it a lot easier. So we put some yogurt in some of these containers. Now I'm filling up the apples and the oranges, just making it a lot easier for them to grab. Everything has been washed and ready to go. That way I know about how much fruits and vegetables they are eating and stuff by looking at what I put in there. Here I put some of their little hug juices in there, because no matter how old you get, honey, you still can drink these little juices. I drink them. Okay, so I took these little trays. It took me several times to get it together for which trays I wanted to put off up in there, but this is the ones that I came up with. And each time I do these restock videos, I may change it up, I'm pretty sure. So right here I took some reduced fat lactose free milk that we buy and put it off in these half-gallon mason jars. Oh my goodness, that milk be so cold. So keep in mind, anytime you're doing restock, you can use, long as it's glass, you can use mason jars. For over maybe 2 years I've been using mason jars in the refrigerator for as bringing it on YouTube, but really been doing it all my life, ever since, you know, childhood. We used a lot of mason jars, but bringing it to YouTube been about 2 years ago, and I really hunkered down and changed my kitchen to a lot of mason jars about a year ago. Okay, so some of y'all remember that from Mississippi Girl Life. All right, so next I am chopping up some tomatoes. This makes it a lot easier when they go in to make sandwiches or whatnot. They can go ahead and just pull out the tomatoes, and everything they need is right there. So I put it in a small little container. Right here I am going ahead taking out the sandwich meat out of the bags, putting those in the glass containers. Oh my goodness, y'all. By now that I'm editing this video, we have already made sandwiches and stuff. I was able to have them go in there, make their own sandwich, whichever one was making it for everybody. They alternate, the girls does, and make sandwiches for lunch or whatnot. Right here I took some of this salad mix. They like the big salad. I don't like the big salad. I like for my stuff to be chopped up even more, so this makes it easier for them to go in, or for me to just go in and grab the salad and make a big salad for them for whatever meal they having it with. So I use my Pyrex bowls for this. Okay, let me know if y'all want me to do a video showing you everything that I use, just in one video dedicated to that. So I had some salad mixed over, so I used another small Pyrex bowl to empty that bag off in, so all of it can be in a glass container. Next I went on and took some sliced cheese and put it in there too. That way y'all get the point where you should take the meat out, the thing with the sliced cheese out, and the tomatoes, and bam, voila, easy way to make a meal. Don't have to worry about nobody chopping up nothing, cutting their fingers, or dirtying up anything. Right here I took some of these little small cute little tomatoes and put them in a container for salad. And right here I am taking out the butter and putting it in the little bowl that I have dedicated for a dish bowl. I talked to y'all about that in the other video, the other restock video, to why I was doing that. I think it's so cutesy cute and very, very easy, and holds a good decent amount of butter. This is my plant-based butter. All right, next I am just emptying out some shredded cheese, because this is going to be for the salad. That is what I have on hand. I do have to grate some. I'm going back to grating my own cheese. Alright y'all, so some days has passed and I forgot that I did not show y'all the ending of this video, so I am filming it now. So this right here is just some stuff we had yesterday, because today is February 5th that I'm finishing this up, and February 4th was my son's birthday, but we don't celebrate birthdays like that, but I do let them get things when they have turned another year, so special treats and like a special lunch or whatnot. So they just put their remainder stuff in here. you know, what they have left over, like their cake pops and stuff like that. So just to show y'all, got salad bowls so they can come in, make salad or whatnot. Got shredded cheese, tomatoes. Like I say, it's been a couple days, so they've been eating on the fruit. And sandwiches, because the sandwich meat is in here, along with shredded tomatoes and some cheese. Now blueberries and stuff like that is over in the other refrigerator, and when I'm putting them in dishes or something, or their oatmeal or something like that, then I use it, or just give them something fresh like that. But this is mainly for them to come and be able to pull out stuff, and I don't have to worry about not knowing what's left and all this. This right here is some leftover sweet and sour chicken skillet dinner that we had last night. Their juice is there. I also had washed some eggs yesterday. They came from our backyard chickens, and they've been eating on yogurt too. Okay, so those of you that did not see the refrigerator, I like to say my refrigerator restock video, then make sure y'all watch that. I will put that at the end of this video. So even right here is some more of the cupcakes and stuff that they had from yesterday, and then the butter and sliced cheese is in there. So yeah, so this is my second restock video. Let me know if y'all enjoyed it. And let me just say, y'all, we had blueberries and stuff. I'll give you a little peek. So y'all, the video that I'm talking about, the restock, is from my other refrigerator. And let me tell you, we had some of these blueberries and grapes. Oh my goodness, when I tell you, extremely cold being in glass containers, because a lot of people is like, why put it in glass? It lasts longer. It's already washed. You should wash it before you put it in there. And oh my goodness, the freshness, the crispiness, the coldness of it is so much different from having it in a bag. So if you haven't watched this video, make sure y'all go and watch it. Alright y'all, so I decided to come out here in Amazing Grace Garden to end this video. So like I say, some days have passed by, and the Amazing Grace chickens are acting crazy. But some days have passed by or whatnot, and I wanted to end this video this way. So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. If it's Jehovah's will, y'all be safe. Okay, until next time, bye.